This video is going to show you how to solve a story problem where the change is unknown. So an example of this type of problem looks like this. Grandma had 12 plants. She put some in pots. She has 4 plants left. How many plants did Grandma put in pots? So the question is asking us how many plants did Grandma put in the pots? Let's look at what we know. So we know that she had 12 plants. We also know that she put some in pots, but we don't know how many. And then at the end, she has 4 plants left. So this, we have the whole which we start with, which is 12. She has 12 plants total. We know she put some in the pots, but we don't know how many. We do know in the end that one part that she has left is 4. So we have to figure out what this extra part is. There's a couple different ways that we can do this. By looking at the part, whole box, we can use this tool as a strategy in a couple of different ways. We can count up to figure out how many goes here, or we could subtract. So let's start first by counting up, and then we can subtract to check ourselves. So if I know that one part is 4, I need to get to 12. So I count on until I get to 12, drawing a circle each time I count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can see here that I drew 8 circles. So that means that she put 8 plants in pots. Let's double check by using a different strategy. Instead of drawing circles and counting on to get to 12, I could start at 12 and subtract the part that I know. So I start at 12, counting backwards 11, 10, 9, 8. So if I subtract 12 minus 4, I get 8 as well. So there's another way that I could solve that. Both ways tell me that she put 8 in the pots. I'll show you one more where you could draw a picture. I can start with my whole that she had 12, so I'll draw 12 circles representing the pots or the plants. Remember, mathematicians, when they draw pictures, they don't take time to draw out pretty plants. Although sometimes that's fun, and if you have lots of time, you could do that. The more efficient way to do it is to just draw circles. So I drew 12 circles. I know that she put some in pots. I'm going to color in the 4 that she had left right here after she put them in pots. So these are the ones that haven't been put in pots. So I can color those ones in darker to make them stand out. Oops. From the other ones. 3, 4. When I color the 4 that are not planted, I can see that I have 8 left.